Happy Chinese Class 快乐汉语小课堂 Hello everyone, I'm Lilin Huang 我是黄老师 In this video, we will learn how to express duration of an ongoing action. Before talking about today's topic, let's review how to express how long you did something in Chinese. I'm going to tell you what I did yesterday first. 我看书看了1个小时 I read for an hour. 我上网上了2个小时 I surfed the internet for 2 hours. 我洗了20分钟的澡 I took a shower for 20 minutes. 我还吃了2个小时的晚饭 I had a dinner for 2 hours. From my introduction, you may notice that 2 different patterns are used to talk about the duration of a completed action. The first pattern is subject, topic, verb, 了 duration. Like 我看书看了1个小时. So the sentence starts with subject, 我 I, followed by the topic, 看书 reading books, and then followed by the verb, 看 to read. 了 is placed after the verb 看 to indicate that the action is completed. And then 了 is followed by the duration of time, 1个小时 an hour. The second pattern is subject verb 了 duration 的 object. 来，我吃了2个小时的晚饭. This pattern is similar to the English structure. I had a 2-hour-long dinner. The is used between the time word 2个小时 and the object 晚饭. And 了 again is placed after the verb 吃 to indicate that this action is completed. The above examples are about duration of actions completed in the past. But how would we say in Chinese? How long have you been watching TV? How long have you been eating? Well, it is very easy. What you need to do is add another 了 at the end of either pattern. For instance, 他学中文学了2年了，因为他觉得学中文很有意思，所以他下个学期还学中文。He has been learning Chinese for 2 years. He will continue to take Chinese next semester because he thinks learning Chinese is interesting. 他病了1个星期了，还没好。He has been sick for a week, but he hasn't recovered yet. 他在北京住了1年了，以后他还会住在这里。He has been living in Beijing for a year, and he will continue to live here in the future. 他已经吃了1个小时的火锅了，可是他还吃不饱，所以他还在吃。He has been eating hot pot for an hour, but he is not full yet, so he is still eating. The actions or status mentioned in these 4 sentences are 学中文 learning Chinese, 生病 being sick, 在北京住 living in Beijing, and 吃火锅 eating hot pot. They started from the past, have continued for some time, and the actions are not concluded yet. They will last into the future. So we add another 了 at the end of the sentences to indicate ongoing duration. You may think of the second 了 expressing the meaning of up until now. Okay, now let's practice. Answer my questions based on your own situations. 你现在住在哪儿？你在那儿住了多长时间了？Well, I will provide my own answers for your reference. 我住在波士顿，我在波士顿住了5年了。你学了多长时间的英文了？我学了18年的英文了。Okay, that's the end of today's class. 再见。